Well, today we're finally back at it. I'm gonna take care of, I don't know, like 2 months of no mowing. I'm gonna cut it once, lower it, cut it down a little lower. I want to see the thinning in the grass because I want to overseed. So I want to get that process going pretty soon. It's January the 23rd, 11:36 right now, so nice and early. But I'm gonna edge first, blow everything into the grass like I always do, and then we'll mow it, bring down the mower, mow it again, call it good. And my nephew wants to come join. Let's get started. Leave it, leave it. Okay, we got it done. Got everything blown on the grass. I'm gonna let this camera cool down, get my other battery, but then we'll get started on the mowing. So far so good, feeling great. A little tired, I'm feeling great though. one pass done. I'm gonna lower it just one notch and do it again. Oh no, it's pretty good. Let's lower it just to, so I can see how thin my grass is. That may not seem like a lot, but it should take some stuff off. Start on this side first, then we'll do the side. Then I gotta re-whack, and then show you the thinning of the grass from the lack of water. Damage from the rain. A lot of poana, not a lot of rye. Falling from this. I gotta figure out what to do with that gutter. But it destroyed it. And then there's a lot of thinning. You can see a lot of thinning. A lot of poana. We got Bermuda growing in here, so we gotta take care of that. A lot of little clumps. There's some more Bermuda growing. There's just a lot of sporadic little clumps of Bermuda. There's even some on this side. Yeah, thinning over there. I'm not sure why, but we'll get some water on it. Oh, it looks pretty good. And you can see there's a lot of graying through here from lack of water. So we'll get water on that. And there's that growing there. A couple of clumps. There's one over here. And a clover clump right here. So got my work cut out for me. I got this. Right here. The kikuya. Crappy kuya grass. So we got a lot to take care of. But not bad. We'll get it all taken care of. We need to get some water on it. That's the most important thing. Getting water on it. been like 2 months since I last mowed. Felt good, but I need a new lawnmower. That mower's a pain in the butt to start. So this year we're gonna get a new lawnmower. Probably spend some coin. Since in a couple years I won't be able to buy a gas mower in this state, so I better get one soon. Beer. I haven't been able to put anything out for you guys. I did the unboxing of all those beers and stuff, and shortly thereafter, like the new year, I got COVID. And thank you all for being patient, waiting for me to come out with another video. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Well, Happy New Year to everybody too. I didn't get to say that. I didn't get to mow on New Year's like I wanted to. But Happy New Year's, everyone. Cheers to you all. You all take care. I'll see you in the next one.